single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Today is the second day of January 2020. We made it, guys. We thank God to be among the people that are alive today to see this wonderful year, because it's going to be a great year for all of us. It's going to be an amazing year for all of us. We are going to fulfill all our dreams that we could not fulfill in 2019. In this 2020, we are going to fulfill all our dreams. And also, thank you so much to my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel, for watching my video, to my old subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you all. I say may the Almighty God continue to bless you all. So guys, today we are just going to do a DIY ponytail using the rubber band mold. So I'm just going to moisturize my hair now. This is my DIY hair grow oil. If you have not seen this video, I'm going to leave the link at the description box below, so kindly go and check it out. It's going to help you a lot to grow your hair. If you are suffering for hair loss, it's going to help you a lot for that. So guys, I'm just trying to moisturize my hair. This is the pink gel that I'm going to use to lay down my hair. I'm using the pink gel today, guys. You can see it's very dark. That's how pink gel is. It's dark. So I'm just going to rub this on my hair and do the rest things just like that. So I will leave it to wash, so I will come back later for more detail. guys, I'm done laying down my hair. So this is the crochet hair that I'm going to use, and the rubber band. All you need to do is just create a loop and pull your crochet hair through the loop and make a knot, guys. This is so simple to do. It's very easy. So in case you want to go out, your hair is rough, you don't want to go out like that, you don't know what to do, this is just a simple hairstyle for you to rock for that day, guys. So simple and easy. If you don't have a ponytail at home, just make this one for yourself. Keep it somewhere that it will be safe. Whenever you want to go out, just put it on. That is it, guys. You don't really need to stress yourselves too much trying to buy ponytail in the market, all those stuff. Just make this, put it on anytime you want to go out. You are good to go. You don't need to suffer yourself too much. You can see, just put it the way you want it. If you want it to be smaller than this, or you want it to be fuller than this, you can do whatever you want to do with it, guys. So now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to put it on my hair for it to stay without falling out, or without going there and there, pushing there, pushing there. Just watch, guys, and you will see what I'm going to do. So now I just going to put the rubber band into my hair. So I'm making knot with I use the rubber band to tie the ponytail to my hair very well, as you can see that I'm doing, guys. So please, if you are new to my channel, you are not yet a subscriber, you are not yet one of my subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and also remember to click that bell beside it and put it in all, the one that say all, so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to know. So thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you all. So now I'm going to take a bobby pin and to pin it down to the ponytail to my hair, so that it can stay very well without falling. So I'm going to use about 3 bobby pin. So that is the way that you can pull your hair, that you can fix that you can use to pin your hair down so that it will not fall out, guys. This is just so simple, guys. I know you will like it. When you do it, you will like it. Just put it on whenever you want to go out, and you are good to go. You will look beautiful. People will be asking you, oh, this your hair is beautiful. This your hair is beautiful. Where did you buy it? You said, I didn't buy it. I made it myself. Can you imagine that? That is so nice, guys. So I'm done now. Look at this, is how the hair turned out to be. So beautiful, so nice and fluffy also. As you can see, no matter how you shake your hair, guys, it's not going anywhere. You not get where they go, you not they go anywhere. If you like, you shake and shake and shake, it's not going anywhere, guys. Please, if you like this video, if you find this video helpful enough for you to subscribe and for you to give me thumbs up, please, guys, don't give me thumbs down. Or thumbs down always break my heart. When I see thumbs down my video, you always break my heart. Please give me thumbs up. Even if you want to give me thumbs down, please comment at the comment section below and tell me the reason why you turned this video down, so that I will learn from it. Okay, guys, you don't know much effort that I put on this video, filming, editing, and all that. Thumbs down will all break my heart. So if you thumbs down this video, kindly comment at the comment section below and tell me the reason why you turn it down, so that I can learn from it. Okay, nobody is perfect, we are all learning. So this is the end. My hair, you can see, it's beautiful and nice. I can go out with this anywhere I want to go, a party, marriage, anywhere, baby dedication, anywhere you want to go with this hair, you can go with this hair, because it's beautiful and nice and neat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do and you are not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. I will really appreciate you for subscribing and for clicking on that alert bell, so that you will not miss out of any of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.